Hey guys, Jimmy Jones with eXp Realty. First and foremost, Happy New Year to you and congratulations, you survived 2020. So I wanted to shoot a quick video today to talk to you a little bit about the Houston real estate market and what to expect in 2021. So I hope you enjoy. If you appreciate videos like this or learning about real estate trends, maybe home maintenance tips, I also shoot videos of beautiful properties in our area. Hit the subscribe button below to follow me. I shoot these videos on a weekly basis to entertain and to educate. So thanks again for tuning in. I hope you enjoy. Real estate is one of the few industries that has rebounded quickly since the pandemic. We are back to pre-pandemic levels. Here in the Houston market, my phone's ringing off the hook. Buyers who have been cooped up, they're ready to get out there and start looking at properties. And sellers who are ready to sell or thinking about selling, they just want to know when's the best time to put my house on the market. So I would say our Houston real estate market is very healthy these days. One of the issues that we dealt with in 2020 has carried over to 2021, and that is low inventory. There's just not a lot of properties available. We have data from November 2020, which is the most recent data we have. The inventory levels, we have just over 2 months supply. And so just to kind of give you a guide, we need at least 6 months or more to create a buyer's market. Anything less than 6 months is considered a seller's market. And right now we've got, I think it's 2.2 months worth of inventory. So what that's doing is it is creating a lot more buyer demand, and you've got more buyers looking at fewer properties. And so what that's creating is multiple offer situations. And what that does is it makes houses sell faster, and it also drives up the sales prices. So again, if you're a seller or a homeowner thinking about moving or upgrading your property, now might be a great time. With regard to properties, what's in demand? Houses that have extra rooms like an office or a game room, maybe a gym or a flex room. Those houses are in demand. And then also properties that have a converted shed or what they call a granny flat, maybe a room above the garage. Those are in demand for multi-generational families, where the kids have maybe graduated from college and they're moving back home, not ready to move out on their own yet. Or you've got, grandma and grandpa who have retired and don't want to live on their own anymore. They're consolidating into the same household with their kids and grandkids. So those properties are in demand. With regard to increased buyer demand, there are a lot more millennials hitting the market these days. They've been cooped up or, staying home, saving their money, and now they're ready to exercise that money and put it to use to purchase properties. So we're seeing a lot of millennials, which makes up the biggest segment of our home buyers. Excuse me. Also, there are historic low mortgage rates. I think recently it's 2.8% for a 30-year fixed rate mortgage. So we're below 3%, which is historic lows. We've never had interest rates, mortgage interest rates this low before. So one thing that you might consider if you've got a stable job or a stable financial situation, now might be a good time. 2021 might be a great time for you to get in the market and either purchase a property or maybe upgrade to the next property. Another trend that we're seeing is people relocating to Texas. I've seen it personally in my career. Lots of people relocating from California, New York, just places that they just don't get as much bang for their buck. Also, we have people locally who are relocating from the cities out to the suburbs. With that benefit of working from home, you can work from anywhere. So we've got a trend of people buying secondary properties, maybe beach houses or out in the country. And so that's definitely becoming a trend as well. I hope this information's been helpful. If you have any questions or want to talk to me about today's topic or any other real estate related topic, please message me down below and I'll be happy to respond. Again, thank you for your time and have a wonderful 2021. I'll talk to you soon.